Welcome to another video on my channel. So yeah, today I'll teach you how to make your own intro on your YouTube channel. So yeah, first of all, edit your name. I will put my name, my barrier. There you go. Then go to font. My font. This is my font. Go get in the link in description. So yeah, go to stroke, make it stroke, I think in 10, and then make it a 3D text. There you go. Where is our size? Make it a bigger. There you go. Okay, nice. There you go. Then don't go to this in this section, make it transparent, and then export image, save to gallery. There you go. Go to KineMaster, make your video empty project. There you go. Go to media, your template. The template is in link in description also. There you go. Oh yeah, first watch it. There's the opening. Find the opening. Okay, later go to media and then click the name you make. Go inferior in animation, not paid pop. Okay, let's restart it. Okay, make it more a little bit like that. Okay, it's not okay. Paid, there you go. And then the in animation, make it a little bit faster. There you go. Okay, there you go. Save it. Click this on the left corner, then save video to gallery. HD guys, click HD and wait for it in about 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, it's now finished. Okay, go to Power Director if you want to make it beating what you call. Go to your intro, make it. There you go. Go to this left section FX, then click beating. There you go. Beautiful intro, and then save project. Don't save it, sorry for that. For this video, save to gallery, peruse. There you go. Our intro is now finished. So yeah guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget comment anything about the video. I will pick the top 5 to make their intro. So yeah, please comment if you want to make me more intro guide, or I'll make you an intro. So yeah, if you want to make me your intro, make sure to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, this is now the intro. Oh, beautiful intro. It's a 60 FPS. Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe again. So yeah, I'm out, guys.